Welcome to Carp's Tool Press, where we review any and all tools. Today we're reviewing a Dewalt DCS 374P2. That's their 5-inch deep cut bandsaw kit. Let's see what's inside. This kit comes complete inside of a hard case with charger and two 5-amp hour batteries. Let's see. We have a cordless bandsaw, charger, one 5-amp hour battery, and cordless bandsaw. Looks like the second battery is already installed on the tool with a partial charge. The tool already has the blade installed, so this thing is ready to cut right out of the box. It has a 3-way adjustable handle, 5-speed variable dial, speed 1, speed 5. It has a hook on the back of the tool, so it's ready to hang anywhere. Tool also has LED light. Let's make a quick cut. That was a very smooth and effortless cut. This tool will be very versatile on any job site. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Carp's Tool Press.